Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn. Well, how are you? I know, I haven't been on for quite some time. Everything's good, everything's good. I made this. I designed it. I think it was the last tutorial I did, so I will link it up above and in the description box if you're interested in it. And it's a raglan style, so it's made all in one piece, which I love. I love, love, love. I love to be able to work on the front and the back at the same time. Yeah, so easy. And when you weren't looking, I made another one. This one's made out of Dollarama yarn. Yes. I have some Happy Mail to share. And this is from our lovely, lovely subscriber, Barbara. She said she was, she went on a trip for her 50th wedding anniversary from Anchorage to Fairbanks, Alaska. And she said it was a beautiful experience. And yes, that's the train she was on. Cool, right? What is that train called? Alaska, well, it says Alaska Railroad on the bottom. Thank you so much, Barbara. I love receiving postcards. I do have a mailbox, and it's down below. You don't have to send me anything. I want to do a shout out to my lovely dentist. Hi, Dr. Carrier. She's at Alice Dental Group here in Winnipeg, and she's awesome. She does a thorough job. She's so kind. She's uplifting. She's non-judgmental, and she's amazing. So hi, Dr. Carrier. And she said that when she retires, she wants to learn how to crochet. She said she knows kind of the basics. But yeah, so she said she's been watching my channel. That's so sweet. So big shout out to Dr. Carrier. I've made a few more cat blankets. Okay, so last time I was making cat blankets, I had made 66. They've all been donated to Darcy's Ark here in Winnipeg and to the Humane Society. So I made a few more. Now, not a lot over the last couple of months because like I kind of lost my crojo, but whatever, here I am again. I've been losing it, like I go 6 days without crocheting, and then just a short while ago I went 2 weeks without crocheting. I know what's wrong with me. Okay, so I'll show you what I have here. I don't have any of the labels. I don't know how much yardage I used here, but I will link that playlist below of all the other cat blankets I made, and I do mention how much yardage I used for, in total, I believe, of the 66 blankets. Yeah. So, first of all, let's take a look at number 67. Hey, Miss Minnie. You're so cute. Okay, so here's another blanket that I made. It was just sitting on here, and Minnie came along and she adjusted it. So she uses it as a pillow, and this is just some bins on my table. But she's made a little bed there. So I can't show you this one. You know we can't move the cat. 68. 69. 70. 71. And I make them 2 feet by 2 feet. That's what the Humane Society here in Canada requests. I hold several yarns together, like it could be a couple of 4 weights, it could be 4 3 weights, it could be 2 4 weights, a 3 weight, and a 1 weight or 2 weights. Yeah, and I use a 10mm hook. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. And that's it. Now, I was using yarn before that I got from Sarah's Little Corner of the Crochet World. Hi, Sarah! And I used all that yarn up. There was several bags. So I used it all up, and then I just started using some of my own yarn from my shelves, and then I thought I had used up as much as I wanted to use for cat blankets. Well, I decided I'm just going to keep going. I'm going to use whatever yarn I have here and try and use a lot of it up, which I did, but I still have a lot there. I only have a shelving unit that has, I don't know, 5 shelves, maybe 4 or 5 shelves, and that's what I have. And there's some empty spaces in those shelves, but I still have enough yarn to last me the rest of my life probably. And I've just been using double crochets for these. Very simple. I do have a tutorial in that playlist below. It's very simple. They work out pretty quickly. You can do one in a day if you have, a little bit of spare time because I've made half a blanket in the morning and then finished it off in the evening. You could probably even do 2 a day if you're really fast. So yeah, you could use up hundreds of thousands of yards in a year. It's a really great project. I learned it from Sarah's little corner of the crochet world. She makes them all the time. She gets really good deals on yarn at Facebook Marketplace, at yard sales, Sarah? Yard sales maybe? Dollar Tree, Dollarama, yeah, at thrift stores, yeah. So anyway, I think that's it for this video. I miss talking to you guys. I've been doing paper crafting. I have a junk journal here. It's in my Etsy shop. It'll be linked below if you'd like to go take a look at it. Maybe hit I think it's a like or a heart there. Just, for fun, or even buy it. All right, thanks guys. I miss talking to you, and I hope you're all doing well. I hope you had a fantastic summer. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.